Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your transfer on Wise. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can often cancel a transfer yourself. It just depends on the transfer status. First, go to Home to find the transfer in your activity list. Then match its status to the section that I'm about to mention. So let's say you've already set up transfer but haven't paid yet, then you can easily cancel the transfer yourself at this step. All you need to do is go to the transfer and tap the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on cancel transfer. If you've already paid but the transfer status hasn't updated, this often happens when you pay by a slower method like a bank transfer or open banking. At this stage, you can still select cancel transfer. If you cancel now, they'll have to wait for your money to arrive at Wise before they can start the refund process. So let's say your transfer is being processed. If you paid from your Wise account or by if you paid from your Wise account or by card, this is often the first status you'll see after paying. At this point, your money is with Wise, and then for checks and conversions, the cancel transfer button is no longer visible because it's too late to cancel it yourself. Now, all you need to do is just contact their support. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.